Some changes is required here. This one will be append. Remove. Otherwise make it empty. Okay. Now if it's a success, then alert dot message. Once it will be inserted, then load the employee also. But one more thing you have to do here before binding this one, you have to write like find, because to remove that tr gt 0 greater than 0 dot remove. I will explain you this one, because what's actually happening, once you are going to reload again, then if you will use that append, then it will be append again. So what we are doing, that except header, I have to remove all those record, then again I'm binding here. I think everything is okay. Just run the application. First we'll click the add employee. Yeah, you can see that error message is coming. If you will write like a first name, if you will enter like a test first name, and if again you will click, then if that first name will be removed, then last name, that department. And I'm going to add last name, then test department, test department, job type as SSC test, salary 5,000 and Pune. Click add. The auto successfully added. Click on OK. Now it's coming. So now, because this one is a displaying name, so first we have to clear that one. We have to clear one more function. It will be reset all those things. That this data also we need to reset. So you have to create one reset function. Create one function. That is a reset employee. That reset employee, so I have to write like a dollar. There will be txt department dot value same like that. txt employee ID, this one also have to make 0. Okay, copy this one. txt first name, txt job type, txt last name, txt salary. Now one more thing, that button, save button, we are going to change also. That is write the id, button save update, button save update. Go to the reset, yeah. Dot value, it will be at employee. Okay, now reset employee call once that successfully loaded here. And then add this one also, that is it. Now run the application. Now try to add Vijay Kumar, department IT, job type manager, and now I'm going to select Chennai, add employee, successfully added, click OK, it's clean. Okay, this one also, that dollar cities dot value equal to 1. Okay, this one is done. Now we are going to do that edit employee. Okay, first we'll check that ID is coming or not, that employee ID. This one. Once you will click that edit, then value should come, that employee ID value should come. Click on edit. Yeah, 3 is coming. This one 4 is coming. 1 is coming. Yeah, this one is working fine. Okay. Now again here we have to first what we'll do, we create one method, that action method, that is a public Json result edit employee. So here it will come like a employee ID, then return Json. First to call that this dot employees dot single or default, then model dot employee ID equal to employee ID, then allow get. Okay, now here going to call $.ajax. Then same thing to write async is equal to true, type is equal to get, then URL will be that employee forward slash, what's the name, edit employee. Okay, then next will be the data will be that employee ID colon this employee ID, then make a semi comma, then it will become data type will be Json data type, then next one will be the content type, then it will be application as Json set equal to UTF-8. Then success function will come data, next one will be error, alert, there is some problem to edit operation. There is some problem with data okay. Now I'm going to bind this. So first one will be $txt first name dot value data dot first name. Now I've added all those, assign that value for all those text first name, text last name, department, job type, salaries, cities, and employee ID. Now going to change the text of button save update dot value. This one will be update employee. Okay, this value will change also. One more thing, that for reset button, for reset employees already there. Let's see. Okay, now it's done. Where is that? Okay, this one for edit employee. Run the application. Yeah. Once you will click the edit, then this data will fill based on that where you click that edit. If you click here, so all those data should fill. Like, see, now it's filling. If you click here, the text first name, then it's coming. If it's click here, then it's coming. Okay. Now we'll try to change this value. Test. I'm going to write as Sanjay. Last name Ajay. Department ID SSC to 6 to Bangalore. Let's try to update. Let's see. data successfully added. Now if you can see that it's changed. Okay, now we'll work on delete. Close the application. We have created that delete employee. Okay, now go to the employee controller and click call one more action method, that is a JSON result, the delete employee, that will be int employee ID. Okay, so call that employee obj employee is equal to, same need to copy from here to here. Copy this one. Now copy this dot, remove this particular object. Just use single. Okay, remove. Then dot employees dot save changes. Okay, then return Json and then message data successfully deleted. Okay, then the next one will be the JSON behavior dot allow get. Okay, this one is done, but this one will be the post, http post. Okay, now go to the here delete employee. Here also first will be the confirm message box, because you are deleting, are you sure you want to delete the employee. So write $.ajax async. By default async will be true only. Then type post, then URL employee slash delete employee. Okay, then data to write here data employee equal to variable employee ID, make a employee ID, call it employee ID. So here this one will be JSON dot string fy. Okay, then again content type application as JSON care set equal to UTF-8. After content type, that is a success. Function data. The next one will be the error. Okay. Right here, same copy and here we have to change something. Directly we are not going to call. What we'll do, we'll create a new, this should be best practice. If success is equal to true, so the success equal to true, and message equal to this. So if data dot success, if you say success, then alert should be data dot message, else alert data dot message, m capital. Then now we can do load data, load employee here if it's a success. Okay, now run the application. If you want to try to delete this one, delete employee, or you sure want to delete, click on OK. Data successfully deleted. Now you can see the data is deleted. Let's test one more. Sanjay, Leela, department, IT, job type, software developer, salary 3000 is a Bokaro, add employee, data successfully added. Now edit Bokaro, I'm going to change to Pune, click update, data successfully updated. Now it's changed to Pune. Now if I want to delete, or if I want to delete, click on OK. Data successfully delete. Let's review one more times. First we have created that table. So that is, I have created two tables. One is that employee table, second one is the city table. Okay. Now we have created that employee controller. First we are loading the data that for that get all employee. So because of that get of employee, so we have created one script function that is a load employee. In the load employee, I am loading that all those employees here. If you can see that it's load employee, all those loading employee. So I've created one more add employee. So for the add employee, because we are doing two things, for the add update employee is adding and updating. Here we are checking that one, if it's already exists, that employee is not 0, it's already exists, so it will be update. If it's a 0, then it will be add. Same thing we have created for edit and delete. So we'll check here, edit and delete. Load employee, one is the add employee for resetting employee, delete employee and edit employee. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.